I'm Kyle Marinovich, the owner of Optimum Air Solutions. I founded this company back in 2017. Energy efficiency has been a real big push in the industry, from multi-stage to inverter-driven systems. Typically, inverter-driven system would have been super expensive when they first come out, and now they're becoming more of an affordable option, and the cost savings runs around 50 to 60% on average. Linux systems, Daikin, Train, American Standard, all your systems now have smart thermostats. All of them have Wi-Fi. Most of them have runtime tracking, performance, energy consumption costs built into them. You could actually go to your thermostat and see what it's costing you to run, how long it's been running. That'll help you know if you got a problem, if your runtime's more excessive on certain days than what it normally is. And you can also pull that up and actually trend it from most of the app. VRV systems are customizable in every which way. I mean, they have different air handlers, multi-position, wall mount, floor mount, ducted, non-ducted. It ranges from any size from 9,000 BTUs up to hundreds of tons. But by twinning them and putting in centralized controllers and everything, you could use VRV from a tiny one-bedroom house all the way up to a high-rise building if you wanted to, theoretically. When you're talking about single-stage, two-stage, and variable speed inverter-driven systems, the single-stage is going to be your least efficient option and your cheapest option. And then you got two-stage, which is like your mid-grades, which that's going to be your middle tier, good efficiency, but not top of the line. And then when you get into the inverter-driven systems, that's when you're at the high end. That's your best humidity control. That's your best energy reduction. So like if a homeowner is never there, it's a second home or a camp or just a place that they really don't want to spend a lot of money on, we'll go with a single stage system. But if it's the customer's house, especially like their master bedroom or a place that there's primary residence or they had a super high light bill, we would recommend a higher efficiency system, because at the end of the day, it'll pay for itself in no time. So if we run into a call where it's lack of airflow, the first thing we check is the filter, because 9 times out of 10, people don't change them. It's just the way it is. It's a put it in there, leave it alone, and that's it. So a lot of times we come across a dirty filter. If that's not the issue, we would then check your blower wheel, because a lot of times people never have them pulled and cleaned. Breathe easy and the big easy.